Break and continue explained. Simple words. What does break and continue mean? Break and continue are control statements in programming used inside loops to alter the normal flow of execution. In simple words, break equals stop the loop immediately. Continue equals skip the current iteration and move to the next. It means break exits a loop completely. Continue skips the rest of the current loop iteration but continues looping. Both are used to control loop behavior efficiently. So, break equals stop means exit loop. Continue equals skip means next iteration. Example idea. Break example. Python. For I in range 1, 6. If I equals 4. Break. Print. I. Output. 1, 2, 3. Loop stops when I equals 4. Continue example. Python. For I in range 1, 6. If I equals 4. Continue. Print. I. Output. 1, 2, 3, 5. Skips I equals 4 but continues the rest of the loop. Why it matters. Without break or continue, cross-mark loops may run longer than needed. Cross-mark skipping unwanted iterations requires extra logic. Cross-mark code can become messy and inefficient. With break and continue, checkmark control loop flow easily. Checkmark stop loops when a condition is met. Checkmark skip unnecessary iterations. Checkmark makes code cleaner and more efficient. How break works. Step by step. Loop starts normally. Check condition inside loop. If condition is true, break statement executes. Loop ends immediately. Program continues after the loop. Flow. Loop means condition means break means exit loop. How continue works. Step by step. Loop starts normally. Check condition inside loop. If condition is true, continue statement executes. Skip the rest of the current iteration. Loop continues with next iteration. Flow. Loop means condition means continue means next iteration. Features of break and continue. Only used inside loops. 4. While. Do while. Break stops the loop entirely. Continue skips to the next iteration. Useful for filtering, early exit, or optimizing loops. Improves readability and efficiency. Advantages of break and continue. Checkmark makes loops more flexible and efficient. Checkmark prevents unnecessary iterations. Checkmark can exit loops when conditions are met. Checkmark useful in real-life scenarios like searching and filtering. Disadvantages, challenges. Crossmark overusing them can make code hard to read. Crossmark misplaced break or continue may cause bugs. Crossmark beginners may confuse break and continue behavior. Crossmark some nested loops may require careful handling. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often use break or continue outside loops means error. Forget how continue skips the rest of the loop. Misplace break means exit wrong loop in nested loops. Confuse break and continue logic. Real-life analogy. Break equals stop the workout completely if you feel pain, stop sign. Continue equals skip this set and move to the next set, next track button. Loops continue or stop based on conditions. Just like real-life decisions. Important point. Break and continue are tools to control loops efficiently. Use them to stop or skip iterations without complex logic. Make your code cleaner and easier to manage. Simple definition. Break equals stop the loop immediately. Continue equals skip the current iteration and continue the loop. Final summary. Checkmark break exits the loop completely. Checkmark continue skips the current iteration and moves to the next. Checkmark used inside loops. 4. While. Do while. Checkmark makes code more readable, flexible, and efficient. Checkmark essential for controlling loop flow effectively. Without break, continue. Crossmark loops may run unnecessarily. More code logic needed. With break, continue. Checkmark loops stop or skip efficiently. Code is cleaner.